darklings, Victoria Lovelace here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good because I am very good. And I just want to give you a little reminder, subscribe to my channel and like my videos, interact with my videos, give a comment and everything of that, as you guys already know already, because a lot of new videos is coming and you guys don't want to miss those videos because a lot of new is coming. So with that, we're gonna move on to what this video is gonna be about, and I think you guys can have a little hint what this video is gonna be about if you see all the purple that is in my makeup, my eyebrows and my lips. So I'm gonna show you because look at this. Jeffree Star have released a new palette of the Blood collection, and I already have the two previous, the Blood Sugar and the Blue Blood palette, and this have a brand new palette that calls Lovelace. Look at this package, it's amazing. It's like really like show like royalty. Look at this purple and the crown and the gold here, and even you see the blood here. It's like this is just so much beauty. It's crazy, and I was so happy to be able to get one of the palettes on the release date, and I can't wait to try it out to show you guys. And I'm also gonna do a makeup with this palette. So let's open this. This is like, it's so beautiful. It's like, look at this. This is how it looks from the inside, from this Lovelace. And as you see, this velvet feeling here, this is like, it just feels very expensive. It just feels very expensive, and I'm so excited to try it out because Jeffree Star's makeup is all like eyeshadows, palettes, even lipstick. Here's liquid lipstick, which is one of my favorite, is awesome, and is one of my favorite brands when it comes to makeup. Both the design wise and both the quality of the products is awesome. There's nothing really, any brand that can compare to this, nothing. So let's take out this beauty. This is the palette. Look at this velvet. Just the feeling is like, oh, I love that he designed this and choose velvet. Is, as you guys know, one of my favorite material, and now I have a velvet palette. That's so perfect. So let's open this beauty. Look at this, and I like how he has protected all the, you see all the eyeshadows in this palette with like a plastic protection. That's where, and even the mirror you see here plastic, so like it's not gonna get scratched, which is awesome. So I'm gonna remove this, and this is the mirror, and I am gonna remove the plastic from this. Like that, and this is how it looks like. It's just wow. I already see, I'm dying for this one. Look at this purple. It's like very dark, almost black purple with just a lot of glitter. Oh, I can't wait to try this out. This is like, wow. I don't even know where to start and really what makeup I'm gonna go for. But I know I have to use this one. I know I have to try it out, so I'm gonna try to use this. Like, I love with this palette because usually I don't like palettes that have too much nudes, because personally I don't like that. I like those, it's supposed to be a lot of pigment, a lot of colors. Nude is like, no, I don't like that. But look at this palette, it's not, I just see one really nude, which is like this one, but and this one that called Monarchy and Royal Pain. I like, look at the names, it's like, it's amazing. It's a Jeffree Star palette. So what else can I say about that? So we are gonna try it out, and I'm gonna do a makeup with this palette, and we're gonna see what we can come up with. There's a lot of different like opportunities with this palette. I'm gonna put a little like highlighter, and I think I'm gonna start with this white one as a highlighter. That this is so hard to choose what I'm gonna go for. I think I'm gonna try out this one. This is Take the Crown. It's a little like shimmering, we're like light purple. This one, because I'm just dying of all those shimmering purples in this palette. So I'm gonna put a little light. I'm gonna go for this one here. Look at this. And I'm not really even done yet. It's just I wanna try out all of them, but I know it's gonna be hard to use all of them in one look. So let's see where we're gonna go. I think I can't wait for that one. That's gonna be my favorite one, because I think I'm gonna go like for the shimmer look, because a little bit gonna match my lips. So yeah, I'm gonna see what else. I can take this one. I'm gonna try this one. Looks awesome. Let's try that one. Blood Queen is the name of this one. Oh, look at the pigmentation. Look at this. This is like, what a beautiful. And this is the one I am most excited about. This one with very like dark, almost black purple one. one is very, very dark. As we can tell. So almost feel like black. But it still blends in very good with the rest of the colors. So here is the full look. Look at this beauty. Look at the pigmentation in this. It's like, this is like so beautiful. It's like the colors, the pigmentation and everything. Look at this beauty. This is like, this palette is Jeffree Star. You did an amazing job again with your palettes, and I'm so happy because purple is one of my favorite colors. So I'm so happy that you created a palette just dedicated to purple colors, which is awesome. And you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment and everything. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.